Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create tags with Ali Abdaal style in the CapCut mobile. So first you just need to add a video or use a paper background like this. Then head to stickers. Okay, so in here swipe on the category until you find this paper icon. Scroll down and you'll find there are lots of letters that you can use, so you can just select the letters that you want to create the text or the word for your videos. So I'm going to select one by one. Okay, so I've already select all of the letters. Don't forget to adjust the position and also the size. Like this. Okay, after you adjust the position and add all the letters, you can animate the text by clicking on the stickers first. Go to animations, and here you can add two animations. So for the first one is in, you can add the spring animation and adjust it for the whole duration, and click on loop next. Then select this jiggle animation. You can adjust on how fast or slow. Just repeat the steps for all of the letters. And so I've already added the animations for all of the letters. Correction, I add the in animation for 2 seconds and the loop for 0.9 or 8 seconds. So this will be the result. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.